Come, let us spill this already spilled juice. Now we are reporting on the news that South Africans have all been waiting for. Now, hashtag Sona 2024 at Presidency ZA has reported. President Ramaphosa announces 2024 general election date. President Cyril Ramaphosa has, in accordance with Section 49 2 of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, read with Section 17 of the Election Act of 1988, determined 29 May 2024 as the date for the 2024 general elections and provincial elections. The President has also, in line with Section 17.2 of the Electoral Act 73 of 1998, consulted with the Independent Electoral Commission IEC on the election date. Furthermore, the President convened a meeting with all 9 premiers and the IEC to discuss the state of readiness for the general elections. The 2024 elections coincide with South Africa's celebration of 30 years of freedom and democracy. Therefore, President Ramaphosa calls on all eligible voters to fully participate in this part and historically milestone of our democratic calendar. Beyond the fulfillment of constitutional obligations, these upcoming elections are also a celebration of our democracy journey and determination of the future that we all desire. I call on all South Africans to exercise their democratic right to vote, and for those who will be campaigning to do so peacefully within the full observance of the law. We also urge unregistered voters to use the online registration platform to register, said President Ramaphosa. The proclamation to declare the date will be issued in due course, issued by Presidency of the Republic of South Africa. Guys, we are finally voting. Please go to your voting station and make your mark. But like, share, and subscribe while you're at it.